Today we have a 2018 F150 Ecoboost. We are doing a meth kit, some downpipes, and looks like a little bit of spark plug action. So stay tuned and we'll get to the video. Alright, so the guy previously, he had tried a couple of wires and had the wrong wires for hooking this thing up. So I'm having to patch those wires up and then hook up to the correct wire. This is for the map sensor, which on these vehicles apparently is also a intake temp sensor. So it's got 4 wires, one for the temp sensor signal and one for the manifold pressure signal. So I'm going to go ahead and hook up to the green and yellow. Ah! In the face! In the face. That's so bright. Came in my eyeballs. You gonna die or what?
Am I, man?
Walk out of the garage first.
Why? You want to be liable or nothing?
Yeah, exactly.
You got sick at your shop. What?
You need to go to your will document first.
Document.
Yeah, make sure.
I don't got one of those though. I will make one. I leave everything in my will. What?
It's on video now.
It's on video. Oh shit, that's good.
That's so much damn.
That's all saying on video.
Just for counting sake.
We'll be fucking YouTube gold, man.
Right?
I'm telling you.
Let's go.
Okay, so we have the catless stainless works exhaust on here. It's a stainless steel catless exhaust for the downpipe setup. Now I'm pointing at this O2 bung here for a reason. It's in the wrong location. They really should have it up here, but they have it over here. Now if I were to try and put this in, not only does it get close to the transmission, which is okay, but I'm going to have to pull hard enough that it disconnects because it's too far away. So now I have to mess with the harness to get it so it's long enough just to make it work. The one on the other side is right here. See that bung sticking up where it is literally causing an issue where it's next to the transmission. I was then unable to fit this as close as I'd like because of that being where it's at. It should be up over here, going up. The other thing is the angle is incorrect on this. So with these exhaust systems, there's a lot of times that you're going to have a bit of an issue installing them. They don't always go in very well. They might say bolt-in, but they're not necessarily bolt-in because the companies, I don't think they test fit them correctly on vehicles. I think they take the old kit, throw it in a spot, make a jig that they think is correct, and it never quite works out right. I'm not sure why they never fit, but yeah. I'll go ahead and continue installing this thing and then we'll get it running. So this clamp does not fit. This angle is incorrect. It needs to be tipped down. It's sitting crooked on the bracket. So now I have to go take this over to the vise and bend it. One of the things I have to do whenever I do one of these jobs is I have to remove the plates, just to be sure that they understand that it's not street legal. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the plates, and he has to put them back on. Plate is removed. I'm going to put it on the seat for him to place back on, and he'll have to take care of that.
Well, if you made it this far, you're one of few, and thanks for watching. Gladly appreciate your attention to this video. Please like, share, subscribe. I can use all the help I can get right now. That was an interesting install, and of course you see my little disclaimer, more or less, of the license plate deal. So yeah, enjoy my next video. I have videos coming out on a regular basis, once a week for sure, if not more. So please stay tuned and keep listening. I will bring as much content and as good a content as I can.